Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to update Google Photos on your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store app. This is the official store where Android users download and update apps safely. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar or the small magnifying glass icon. Now type Google Photos. After a moment, the official Google Photos app will appear in the results list. Tap on it to open the app page. On this page, you will see details about the app, screenshots, ratings, and update information. If a new version is available, you'll see an update option. Tap the update button and wait a few seconds while your phone downloads and installs the latest version. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the update completes smoothly. Updating apps is important because it brings new features, better performance, security improvements, and bug fixes. Keeping Google Photos updated also ensures your photos and videos back up and organized properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips.